Hello everyone, 𝗪𝗵𝘁. I'm 𝗪𝗁𝗵 again. So as you can see today, this video is talking and sharing about how to style minimalist. You sudah nampak saya punya last video episode ke? Kalau belum, klik link ini. Actually minimalist, we don't have a definite answer. The main concept we focus the minimalist design concept is the practicality and the functionality. The whole concept, it doesn't look messy and you won't saw any unnecessary at the design concept of minimalist style. Okay, so how to style? The point number one, we talk about living area first. You remove all the unnecessary at the living area. It means throw away the things that you don't use it, don't need it anymore. Or besides throwing, you can also donate to the people that they need it. So point number two is quality over quantity. Because many people think that minimalist is a plain design concept. Come back to why we want to design our home. Because from the interior design, it speaks so much a lot of your personality. Come to the point number three. Key of the characters of this minimalist design actually is use of the solid and the simple color. Example color like white color, gray, black, earthy tones color, able to use at your whole living area, no matter it's the wall color or the furniture. And also you can put eye-catching art piece, also able to bring up the whole environment of the living area. Point number four, the last point, we come to the area like bathroom, bedroom, kitchen. For those areas, you can pay attention how and the cabinet design and the texture you choose. Okay, hopes those points able to help you to change your house into a simple and nice design of the minimalist style. And most of the time, we having very busy and hectic life. So minimalist design enable us to free ourselves, doesn't have anything to distract us from our life. In another way, minimalist also increase our productivity during our working time, or when you back to home, you will have a relaxing body no matter your visual or the feeling when you step into your house. Any question, kindly inbox us and click subscribe and like our video. Stay tuned for our more episode or series video. Thank you for watching, and our vision is enhance your lifestyle and design your dream home. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.